Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you the common error, the word above. This is ching chang. So let's start. You can say this is a grammatical mistake, or you can say the common error, and this tutorial is good for a competitive examination in India. So if you are coming from abroad, so you can learn how to English speaking person make some grammatical mistake. So today I discuss about the word above. So there are 4 example I have wrote here. So the first example, there are above 100 people in the crowd. So I'm using here above 100 people in the crowd. So this is a error. This is incorrect. This is error, the grammatical mistake. What the grammatical mistakes? The right answer is there were over 100, or you can say the 100. There are over 100 people in the crowd. Don't use the above before any number, because 100 is a number. So don't use the above number. So don't use ABOVA plus number. Don't use it. Don't use it. Always use the over 100. So the second example is I like to stay at home on a Saturday, so I have said above. So I have said above. So it is second. So I'm going to the first example. So don't use above with number unless referring a point to a scale, because it is mentioned the scale. This is a scale. As an example, he is over 40 years of age. The 40 years is the measurement for scaling. Scale. 100 people is the scale. I receive over 25 letters a day. Over 25. So don't use above. Over 25 letters a day. So if I use the compare, don't let the temperature get above 30 degree, because I'm using the get above 30 degree. So you can use the get above 30 degree Celsius or 30 degree Fahrenheit. This is correct. Get above 30 degree Celsius or 30 degree Fahrenheit. So now I have to go to the next one. Next example. I like to stay at home on Saturday. I have said above. Here I use the above. The above, I have said above. Don't use this above after I have said above. It is a grammatical mistake. So I have as I have already the correct as I have ready, set. This is a correct. This is a correct. I like to stay at home on a Saturday, as I have already said. So what is the main logic to use the I have already said? Because above is used is the formal writing to refer to something that he has been mentioned earlier. From the above argument, I can be seen that supporters on the dam project fall into a jam. So in former style, this use of above is inappropriate. So now I'm going to the second one. Third example. What do you think of the above suggestion? What do you think of the above? The above. I am using the above again. So the correct the word above is error. What is the correct answer? What do you think of my, or you can say this suggestion? What do you think of my, or you can say what do you think of my suggestion? But what do you think of this suggestion? This is a correct. So this is it can be seen that the supporter of the dam project fell into a two campaign in informal style. This of above is inappropriate. So I explain again. So above, the word above is used in formal writing style to refer to something that has been mentioned earlier. It is not mentioned earlier. I have said above. I have already said. So what do you think above? What do you think of my or of this suggestion? It is not mentioned earlier. Okay, so the fourth example, taking all the above into account, one could say that tourism does more harm than good. So here I use the word above into account. So this is the grammatical error. So what is the correct? Taking all the answer, taking all the above argument into account, one could say that tourism does more harm than good. This is the correct. All the above argument into account. This is correct. Above argument into account. What is the main logic? Instead of using the above as a lost reference to something mentioned, so earlier make the reference more precise by using the above plus noun. If you want to use the above you should use the above plus noun or the plus noun plus above. So you should use, if you want to really use the above, the logic is the above plus noun, the above plus noun, or you can logic is the plus noun plus above. So the above reason, the above the statement above, so you can see the above reason, the above reason. Here you can see the reason is noun, or you can say the statement above, the statement above. You can see the statement is noun, the above noun, you can write the above plus noun or the noun plus above. So you can put the noun before above, or you can put the noun after above or before above. So this was the common error of the word above. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video with a new grammatical error. Bye bye.